Don't laugh, Sarah. Okay, an order just came in. Thank you so much. I always get super excited when I see the notification for an order. It is quite cold inside the house, so I'm gonna take my little drawer outside and pack it outside. Good morning. I look crazy. Just wanted to show the spice rack. I'm boiling some water for my morning tea, and we're probably gonna put it up here. I've been using this basket, which is fine. I have this curry powder that my mom brought, and it's from Singapore, which is where my family's from. But yeah, how exciting, eh? This stovetop anyways, like these two burners don't work. My landlord said he's got to get someone to come in and check. Actually, this burner doesn't work either. Only this one works, so that's just how it is. I think the water is ready now. So my family gave me some Japanese tea the last time I was in Canada, which was oh my goodness, like 3 years ago, which is, it's not okay. Anyway, so it's Japanese tea and it has like a roasted taste. I add some ginseng. I've had this ginseng for like 6 years. I don't even know if there's an expiry date, but yeah, I like ginseng. It's very good. A little spoonful, put it in, and that's it. I try not to sweeten my things and add whatever, just drink it. Let's pour it in. Maybe you'll have some ASMR because the mic is right here. Let me point it towards the, there you go. I got another order. Oh my goodness. Seriously, I get so excited. I just need to check again to make sure that I'm packing the right things. So, but I think I know what, like, I think I remember, but I'm always like never sure. I'm always like, oh no, like what if I pack the wrong thing? I also wanted to talk a little bit about my sketchbooks. So I think I might pick the stuff and then okay, I hope. I'll just bring this up. Just give me a second. Is that too high? Okay, yes. Anyways, I think I'm gonna pick the stuff first and then talk about my sketchbook here, because I feel really awkward talking outside. My neighbors will probably be like, this girl's nuts. So I want them to figure that out, you know, slowly. Just joking. Yes, so I wanted to talk about my sketchbooks. I've always wanted to do a sketchbook tour and people have been asking, and you know, I like to deliver when people ask, but I don't know if I'll be able to deliver for a while because I started these sketchbooks last year. What was more important was for me to build up my skill set and my habits. Having sketchbook spreads that are super aesthetic and like presentable was not a priority. It's like also not cohesive because I was doing a lot of experimentation. I was really trying to, I wouldn't say I'm trying to push a style or anything like that, but I just wanted to try everything. Like I have all of this here and like I used so many different mediums, or media, sorry. You know, you got like this, which is by the way the pigeon. Yeah? That was turned into a sticker. But yeah, you know, like the pages are just so random. I don't know how to talk about, like, if this is like, I don't know, what is this? And then, you know, like, then what is this? You know, I was just doing whatever I wanted to do. There was a time when I was, you know, quite consistent. For example, like maybe, no, not here, like from this to this, you're like, okay, this is something I could show, this is something I could, but then you got this and you're like, but yeah, in terms of like having something to present and make a video about, I'm gonna start a whole new sketchbook for that. Just hold tight and maybe I'll like, I don't know, rip out some pages from here and like make a new sketchbook with like staples or something. So yeah, that's all I gotta say on that. Okay, anyways, I'm gonna stop talking about the sketchbooks. Okay, so now you know why I chose a grasshopper as the GIF or the GIF. See, I'm not sure, because when we're teaching basic grammar, we talk about the soft G, which usually pairs with GE, GI, GY. So for giraffe, then you would say maybe GIF. But then you also have words like gift, which is a hard G. And then it's like, okay, what do I do now? So yeah, now you I get so distracted. So now you know why I did a grasshopper. Okay, so the next video, last video I said that this video was going to have plants, but it didn't have any plants. So I think next video I'm going to do the cork oak, because the cork oak is so symbolic to Portugal. And there are so many beautiful cork oaks here, so I'm going to find a few that would make a good model and take some pictures, and then yeah, we can do some cork oak together. And then, as I mentioned, the landscape trio, the little mini landscape. I'm not sure what else. Probably more animals. But yeah, okay. So thank you so much for watching and spending the time with us. And I will see you next time. Bye-bye. Okay, I don't know if you can hear the sheep. Okay, wait, let me flip the mic. Sometimes, like where I'm sitting right now, there are sheep grazing on the hills, and it's so nice. There you go. One time I was here when the sheep were grazing. Hi, Mango. And the shepherd was here at the same time, and he was like, "Oh, you want to walk your dog like in this area?" And I was like, "Oh no, I just want to watch." He was like, "Okay." So I sat down with Mango near the shepherd and just watched his sheep. I don't know if that was weird, but he didn't care. So okay, I just had to share that story. All right, I'm gonna go home now.